So now we have our class here. As you know, if I refresh my page, this style will be removed from here. That's why I will come here and write display as inline block here. I will write display inline block and save my file, refresh the page. Now it is going to work. So we have our box here, the section here. If I select the section, as you can see, the section is also displayed as block, even though it is not showing the, when I hover the mouse here, it is showing that it is taking the whole page. So if I come here and select the section, this time select the section and say the section must have the width of 400 pixel. If I refresh, it displays here. And if I select this one again, because the section is displayed, the display is equal to block, it is also taking the whole page. That's why it does not display here. This is one of the reason. So if I come here and say display of this one should be also equal to inline block, I save my file, refresh the page. Now it display in the right position. Now both the box plus the section, both of them has a display of inline block. That's why it shows up here. So this is very important to know about the display and how you can bring it here. So you bring the content here, but how you can bring the content in the right sidebar? That is when you must know about the flat. The flat property is very important too, because the flat take two value, right or left. Flat is when something, if you put something very thin or above the water and it stay above the water, you want to decide either it is going to the right side of the water, to the left side of the water, something like that. Flat. Now I'll teach you how you can use it. If I come and select the section here, if I write the display flat here to the right, it will take our file, our box or any element, and it will display it in that direction which we selected as right. Now it displayed here. In the same time, when you use the flat, it by default it remove the display block and it will display it here. Now if I remove the display block, still it is going to work, because it will display it as right, and when it takes the right position, it will not take the left position of the any other element here. So if I come here, select this one, the box, I will remove the display as inline block and write the flat property as left. If I press enter, now it is working the same thing. Now the display inline is not working, but it is working. When you write when you want to put two box together, you can do it like this. For example, if they have 50% of the page, 50 is for this one, now 50 not, let's say it is 45, because some of them has margin or padding, something like that, they take extra space. And the same thing for section. If I say the width should not be 400 pixel, it should be 45% of the page. Now it will be displayed the same way side by side, because our section do not have any padding. You can write the padding. The padding, as I said, is the space between the content and the border. As you can see, when I give it the padding, it comes down because there is no space for them. If I decrease the width, now it will display in the right position. Again, you can come and give them a background color, background as red. For now, you can select red. Of course, you can come here and write it for green, something like this. Now this style will not be saved. If I copy this, come here and I'll paste it here. As you can see, the display block is already commented because we have commented it from here. Now if I refresh the page, it will display it like this. But for the page here, we have the width, we did not change it. It should be also 45% of the page. I save it and refresh the page, it will display side by side. That is this much simple. So I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any question related to web design, feel free to comment below the video, and thank you for watching.